Welcome to Katrina's Corner. It's called Katrina's Corner because I like the name Katrina's Corner. And if you make your own bracelets, it's okay. We only do bracelets. And if you want, you can make your own, or you can just buy like these, what I already made. I'm giving money to MDA. You know why? Because my friend Maddie was sick because he had bad muscles. And that is why I'm giving money to MDA. And if you would like, and I would like you to give some money to me so I can give it to MDA. Thank you.
Another one like this is small ending up, or you want to say the time?
Yeah, you can tie these later. You can even make them smaller and like another holiday.
Yeah, we'll take 2 Halloween ones. Is that all I owe you?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Have a nice day.
That's all you need.